Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. June the 23rd, 2025. Asia Pacific markets are mostly down today. No surprise there, since US involvement in the Iran-Israeli war has created further complications and volatility in financial markets. Everybody is now waiting for Iran's response to gauge direction of global markets. Naturally, the KSE 100 index plunged meantime, down 38.55 points in a day that is full of instructions for technical analysts. So let's take a deeper look. So this is the daily market today. The KSE plunged 38.55.76 points, you can see here. In doing so, it not only broke the 50-day exponential moving average, but also here, the May 27th low. Also, notice here, it also pierced the lower boundary of the Donchian channel, which means it also broke a 20-day low in the market. So that's a confluence of factors over here, right here. You can see that the RSI, which we've been keeping a very close eye on, also plunged from about 50 to 39 in one day. That's a big drop. There's more instruction over here. Remember this large opening gap, the big window that was formed on May the 12th after the war? And we've been talking about the market potentially coming back to test this window sooner or later. Well, it's found support right at the top of this window. This window is, since candlesticks also mean that in Japanese candlestick charting, these windows also count as support and resistance. So this could also be support, or plunging further, the market could find support at the 100-day exponential moving average right over here. But again, as usual, the devil is always in the details. So let's break down and look at the lower charts. Let's first look at today's market activity. This is the first hour's range over here. It just stayed steady for a while and then just broke below it. But first, on the 3-hour chart, you can notice that today, the market finally broke below the 200-period exponential moving average as well as the 100-period exponential moving average in this day. And the RSI has plunged to as low as 25.27. So the loss of steam that was visible on the daily chart is more visible on the 3-hour chart. Let's break down further, go into the hourly chart, where the market has not only dropped below all major moving averages, but also formed a death cross in the 50 and 100 period exponential moving averages. The RSI is even lower here, it's at 14.57. So the direction is pretty clear. The market is fast running out of steam. The market is losing momentum, and the market has broken a previous low. It has broken previous boundaries. It has broken previous trend lines. It is losing momentum, and it is fiercely in the grip of exogenous factors that are far beyond its control right now, especially since the Middle East war has made the oil market more volatile again. So once again, caution is advised. Listen to the wisdom of the markets, which says always that in such times, trying to force entry points is like catching falling knives. That takes a lot of skill. It's best to wait and see what direction the market takes once the situation is a little clearer, which will not be too long now. So stay focused. Thank you.